Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. Got a big treat for you here. Take a look at this gorgeous 1965 Buick Riviera. This thing is powered by a 435 and it's got dual 4-barrel carbs on there. It's got power steering, power brakes, power seats, tilt, air conditioning, custom air ride, custom paint job that was done a little ways back but looks good still. Got a couple little flaws, we'll go through them so you know exactly what you're getting when you get this baby home. It's stunning stance, it's amazing. I'm gonna go through this puppy real tight. Panels are straight, seem to be original, the quarters are. Look at this on the angle. I got it all the way lowered down right now. I'll get it up after we go for a ride so you take a look at the end. So stay tuned. Thing is just beautiful. It's got a great back end. You don't see many of these. Custom two-tone paint. Got dark metallic green with like a bone white. Done right. Sitting on custom wheel package. You got 18s in the front, 20s in the back. Really nice. Let's check underneath this hood. Show you what you got here. Hang on, I'm gonna put it down for a second. There we go. Bingo. Real nice underneath. 435. Dual Edelbrocks on there. 4 barrels. Power steering. Power brakes, air conditioning, blowing cold, got a chrome radiator, got an aluminum radiator with dual fan system that works great because I drove it earlier. This car really runs out well. All your hoses are good, all your belts are good. We've gone through it with a PDI. All your lights are working, turn signals, wipers, all the way they should. Really nice. Look at that aluminum radiator. Big old dad. Lines up great, the hood. It's like a real deep green metallic. Looks black at night. Front chrome is good. All your grills all the way to the bottom, nice. Car shows 66,000 miles. Could be. No way to find out for me. Front quarter is great. Fender, excuse me. Got a couple little touch-ups here. Looks like they had a boo-boo once. There. All your badging and underneath is good. Glass around the car is good everywhere. It lines up the way it should. The right gap to the fender and to the quarter. Just stunning car. You'll win some trophies with this. It's definitely a great driver. Ooh. Got a few little spots here that have been cracking over the years, it looks like. Nothing major, but I'm pointing it out. I want you all to see. Straight though. Let me get on angle. Check that out. Beautiful. Great tires, dual exhaust, sounds good. Chrome on the back is good. All your glass around the car is good. There's no story on any of the glass. Your trunk has been custom done. Here's your air ride suspension system that's in back. Here's all your controls to control it, and then there's the button in the front. Fully carpeted, done nice. Original quarter here. And original quarter here. All right, good. Good stuff. Good stuff. Lines up great. All your weather stripping's in good shape. All the chrome around the windows are good. Rear passenger quarter, I don't see any flaws. Same spot with the little bit of cracking. Notorious for, I guess, for that year, but it's, you got to step off, it's fine. Lines up great. On the bottom's good. Fender to the door is good. Antenna intact, sport mirrors. That's beautiful. Look at that beige leather interior. Nicely done. Look at that dash. No cracks. Nice and tight up on top. Rear deck good. Just love this car. It's sexy. Really sexy. Let's fire this baby up. Look at this interior. Door panels are all good. Paint went all the way through the way they did it. They did a great job. It's just an older paint. Tilt steering wheel. 66,772 miles, folks. Great sound. It's your control for your for the air suspension. I'll put it up. There we go. There we go. Air condition, radio. Nice dash. That's the pump going. Nice stance. Looks good even up. I like it both ways. Gorgeous car. In the hole. Limited slip differential in back. A lot of torque. Brakes well. Goes through the gears nice. Okay. Steering seems good. Nice and tight, no funky noises. Runs good, idles good. This is a nice car. Yeah, this is a nice car. Runs great, stops good, straight on. See if we have any funky noises coming through her. None, yeah. Alright, don't go, buddy, don't go. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Yeah. Nice car. Stops good. So if you're looking to get some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, you need at least 10% down. You could go up to 84 months with good credit. Fill out the app online at mgmclassiccars.com. If you're a 740 and above, you can go directly to lightstream.com. That's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down. Approvals within 24 hours. Really quick turnaround. They wire it right in your bank. We've got over 120 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. All my pricing, description, videos, and pictures are online. We also ship all over the United States. Bonded and insured, opened and enclosed. If you need any help on any of the cars and have any questions, you can text me or reach me, as well as prices on shipping at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Had to
get a little burnout in there. Thanks, folks. Located in Addison, Illinois. Open Monday through Friday from 9 until 5. Saturday from 10 till 2. All by appointment only. Call me or text me. I'll get you in. 773-600-0919. This is really a nice driving car. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Tell your friends. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us on this beautiful 1965 Riv. No disappointments. Nice car, folks. Have a great day.